this is the pre-market analysis. So this is, let's start from USDJPY. USDJPY, we have this, the trend is obviously bullish. If you look at the structure, we have this bullish structure that is here, and this is now our dealing range from this low to this high, because we have our breaker structure here, and we had two point of interest in this particular setup, but this one had liquidity and this one didn't have liquidity, but we have a false pullback here, so this can serve as our liquidity that validates taking an entry from here. I could have been stopped out if I didn't have a confirmation that I used to take this. That's why it's very, very important for you to have a lower time frame confirmation. It will save you from taking a lot of losses, you know. So now I wanted price to come here and give me a lower time frame confirmation. It would not give me, which is why I didn't take any trade here, and now I'm waiting for this area. This is the area that I'm now waiting to take my entries on. This is area that I'm looking for, so I'm looking for price to open and come back here and give me an entry so I can catch all this move on USDJPY. So now I'm looking for price to come here, and I can have a nice 1 to 7. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for price to come here, so this is going to serve as my inducement right here. This right here is going to serve as my inducement, and I would look to buy from this area during, if the market comes back to this area. So that's the analysis on USDJPY. And on Euro GBP, I don't really have anything going on Euro GBP right now. It's just I don't have anything going on it. So but on GBPJPY, I have a setup that is currently playing out. Let me even mark it. I have a setup that's currently playing out, and as you can see, we have this resistance that I've been holding for like a week now. This resistance that I've been holding for like a week, and price just broke this resistance and it has retested this resistance, and yeah, I think I might have missed an entry here already, because price has retested this resistance and I didn't even know. I was waiting for price to open and retest this resistance. So this resistance is where I'm looking to, you know, take my entries from, because we don't have anything that we are targeting as all-time high or anything. So I'll just be going for a 1 to 3. But right now, let me drop to the 15-minute time frame and see what the 15-minute time frame looks like over there. So this 15-minute time frame, this is it right here. We tapped into this place, and I still feel like price is not just going to buy. We are still going to have a retracement down into this area before we are into this. We are still going to have a correction. We broke structure, we still need a correction, and the correction I have a breaker block on the 1 hour time frame right here. I have a breaker block right here that I'm looking. That will be the best area for me to take my trades in. This breaker block, this will be a good area for me to take my trades. And so price has already broken this high. Now I'm looking for the retracement, because we opened around here and I need that retracement to happen so that I can take my entry here. If the retracement happened, I would look to take my entry, look for confirmation before I enter this particular trade. And I have a trade that I'm currently in on gold. I'm currently on this trade on gold, and as you can see, it's still playing out beautifully. I wanted to add position to this place, but I didn't, so thank God I didn't. So I have this position on gold that I'm waiting on, and this is another breaker block here, right here. This breaker block on 1 hour time frame, this is another breaker block here. So that's another good area to look for buys on gold from. To look for buys, that would be another good area to look for buys on gold. But I'm still currently inside this trade, and this trade is supposed to be a 1 to 4.6. I caught it when we broke here. Still the same thing, is the break and retest. I used the same break and retest to catch this trade, and I caught this trade after we broke here yesterday. We opened and we retest. I entered on the retest too. Let me mark here. So I have strong trades that are paying out. I have the USDJPY trade, I have the GBPJPY trade, and I have the gold trade that I'm looking to take. I'm looking for gold to retest this area and give me a lower time frame confirmation to continue buying, and at least I need us to get to around here. That's where my draw on liquidity, that would be where I would take my profits at this 449, so at least 4,500. That's where I'm looking for gold to buy to, but I need the new day market to open and come down before we start going. And on the Bitcoin, uh Bitcoin is at an area, as you can see, the trend on Bitcoin right now is bullish, so it's very very bullish, but it's at an area where I can't, it's an area of resistance overall. You can see it's an area of resistance. We have price resisting from here, we have price resisting from here, so this is how will I say it, this is an area where I can't be looking to continue buying from. And if Bitcoin is going to retrace, this will be a good area to retrace, because there's an order block that it's respecting on a daily time frame. I think it's the daily. Let me go to the daily. Okay, yeah, I think it's the daily. So from here to here, this is an order block that is respecting on a daily here, but the order block is too large. That's the reason why I'm not listening. The order block is too big. See, from here to here, it's a very big order block that it's pushing price down. It pushed this price down, and if I see a sell setup forming tomorrow, I might take it, but you don't know. With the war, I don't think any sell setup is going to happen. So that's the analysis on this pair. And if you like something like this, you enjoy this type of video, kindly follow me, subscribe, and put on the notification, so because I post my market analysis every day on this channel. And yeah, that's it. And I also stream on TikTok live every day from 2 p.m. Nigeria time to like 4 or 5, depending on how long I feel like staying in the market from. And that place you can catch me, call trades live, and see it happening. So yeah, peace out.